Is your dishwasher in need of a good cleaning? Well, if so, keep watching, because in this video, I'm cleaning my dishwasher like a pro and taking you along for the ride. Stay tuned. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. My dishwasher is one of those appliances that I have been hesitant to clean. I watch the outside of it all the time, but I've never really gotten down to taking out the innards and trying to give that a good clean. That was just something I always thought you called the repairman for. And then I saw Melissa Maker on Clean My Space clean her dishwasher like a pro. And then another time I saw Sophia on My Great Challenge clean her dishwasher. So I thought, okay, Denise, you can try this. So today I am buckling down to it and I'm cleaning my dishwasher like a pro. So let's get it started. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray along this area here, along the gaskets and the edges, with a solution of vinegar and water. So now let's take these racks out. Now spray along the bottom and along the sides. Now Melissa showed to get this filter out. Hey, it came off. Okay. Ugh. I think she had this thing off too. That doesn't come up. And then she took a solution of dish soap and baking soda to clean along the gasket. So let me do that. And just use a little toothbrush with a little bit of dish soap and baking soda. To get some of the crud off. I think I'll apply some of this cleaning solution to this because it looks pretty gross. So I will clean up this door. I've used that same solution of baking soda and dishwashing liquid and a little bit of vinegar and water to clean this up. It looks so much better. This really looks amazing. I'm pretty impressed. know you could wash all these pieces. Oh my. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this thing was really dirty. Okay, now for the hard part, putting the innards back in. Well, that one then. Let me take a look at the one at the top. Let's see. That one doesn't look like it's coming out so easily, so I'm going to leave that one alone. So let's get this back in. So I've got a cup of vinegar here, and I'm going to sit it right here. Turn the dishwasher on and run it on the sanitized cycle. That'll help with the descaling. Well, here you go. The dishwasher is nice and clean and descaled. I am really pleased with the way it turned out. Let me take this opportunity to thank Melissa Maker at Clean My Space for showing me how easy it is to clean my dishwasher. I never would have tried this if I had not seen her do hers, because even when I saw Sophia clean her dishwasher, I was thinking, how can she do all that? How does she know how to put all those pieces back together? But after seeing two women do it, I thought, you know what, Denise, give it a try. You can do this. And I thought I could, and I did. So thank you, Melissa Maker at Clean My Space, and thank you, Sophia at My Great Challenge, for showing me how easy it is to do this. Now, just so you know, I've got a few other cleaning videos that I think might interest you, so I will link those below and put an iCard above. And I also invite you to join me for Shout Out Sunday, where I bring you information about updates on collabs and challenges. And they talk about how to apply various tips and tricks from YouTube gurus so that we can grow our channels one subscriber at a time. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.